Mr. Dusty.
Hi, mabuhay! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now, my name is Dustin, and I'll be your host for today. Now, joining here with me is our umbrella kakatu name, Sophie. Hi, buddy. Good afternoon. Now, Sophie has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari Spring Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to make sure you're all set and ready, when I say hi, you say hello. Hi! Again, I can hear you. Hi! And the last one. On the count of 3, can I hear the loudest roar of a lion? In 1, 2, 3. Wow, great job, everyone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, did you see our group of dogs?